Taxes. Everything you need to know. Taxes can be confusing and overwhelming, but they are an important part of our lives. In this video, I'm going to break down the basics of taxes and give you some actionable tips on how to save money on taxes. Welcome to our channel Money Talks. Taxes are a compulsory financial charge or some other form of levy imposed on a taxpayer. Types of taxes. Direct taxes are levied directly on the taxpayer's income or wealth. Examples of direct taxes include income tax, capital gains tax, and inheritance tax. Indirect taxes are levied on goods and services consumed by taxpayers. Examples of indirect taxes include sales tax, value-added tax, VAT, and excise taxes. Taxes in the United States. The federal government in the United States collects a variety of taxes, including income tax. Income tax is a tax on the income of individuals and businesses. The amount of income tax owed depends on the taxpayer's taxable income and their tax bracket. Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax is a tax on the profits from the sale of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Estate tax. Estate tax is a tax on the transfer of property from a deceased person to their heirs. Gift tax. Gift tax is a tax on gifts that are given to individuals. In addition to federal taxes, state and local governments also collect a variety of taxes, such as sales tax. Sales tax is a tax on the sale of goods and services. The sales tax rate varies from state to state. Property tax. Property tax is a tax on the ownership of real estate. The property tax rate varies from state to state and from county to county. How is income tax calculated? Your income tax is calculated based on your taxable income. Your taxable income is your total income minus any deductions or credits. There are a number of different types of income, including salary, wages, tips, commissions, bonuses, investment income, self-employment income. Some types of income, such as gifts and inheritances, are not taxable. Once you have calculated your taxable income, you will use a tax table to determine your tax liability. The tax table shows the amount of tax you owe based on your taxable income and filing status. How to file your taxes? If you are a U.S. taxpayer, you must file a tax return each year. The tax return is used to calculate the amount of tax that you owe or the amount of refund that you are due. You can file your taxes electronically or by mail. If you file electronically, you can use the IRS Free File program to file your taxes for free if your income is below a certain level. Tax deductions and credits. There are a number of tax deductions and credits that can help you reduce your tax liability. Some common tax deductions include the standard deduction, the mortgage, interest deduction, and the state and local tax deduction. Some common tax credits include the earned income tax credit, the child tax credit, and the dependent care credit. Non-taxable income streams. There are a number of different types of income that are not taxable. For example, the following types of income are non-taxable. State benefits, such as the state pension and disability benefits. Interest on certain types of savings accounts, such as ISAs and premium bonds. Dividends from certain types of investments, such as EIS and SEIS, shares. Here are some common tax mistakes to avoid. Not filing your taxes on time. Filing your taxes late can result in penalties and interest. Not claiming all of your deductions and credits. Leaving money on the table is always a mistake, so be sure to claim all of the deductions and credits that you are eligible for. Making math errors. Math errors on your tax return can lead to an audit, so be sure to double-check your work before you file. Not keeping good records. Good tax records can help you to avoid mistakes and to claim all of the deductions and credits that you are eligible for. By following these tips, you can avoid common tax mistakes and save money on taxes. Taxes are an important part of our lives, but there are things you can do to save money on taxes. By following the tips in this video, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and financial well-being. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may also be interested in learning more about taxes.